The lips are burning. It's worth mentioning, it's hot. I don't hate it, but it's hot. But did like anybody else go and do like that free Chipotle burrito day when you dressed up like burrito? Basically, you just had to have tinfoil on you. I did it. I've done it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing around with some products from a line that I have never filmed with before, and I kind of am like, why? Again, why? Kind of like my BH Cosmetics tutorials over Christmas. E.l.f. I have the E.l.f. and Chipotle. Chipotle.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
I have not even swatched this yet. It still has the plastic cover on it. And then I also picked up the lip gloss from the collab, and then I also grabbed a concealer because everybody talks about this dang concealer and I have yet to try it, so we're gonna try that out today. So I have 30 minutes to film this video. It's gonna be the quickest video tutorial I've ever had to film because I gotta go to work. So let's jump right on into it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes first because I don't know what the follow-up situation is gonna be here with this palette. I just love like the kind of like matte silver packaging. It matches with the wrappers from the Chipotle burritos perfectly. And these colors, okay, today's St. Patrick's Day and green. I'm not getting pinched today. This isn't going up in time for St. Patrick's Day, but today I ain't getting pinched. Yes. How do I pull this thing off? I don't want to like rip it up. Ah, dang it. That's where all the color names are. I hate when they do that. Bothers me because then I can't tell you in confidence what the colors are. I'm gonna start off with my P. Louise base in the color Rumor 0.5. Gonna zoom you on in here so you can see what it is that I'm doing to my face. Yes. Oh no. There was a shifty noise out there. Oof. 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 I think the obvious shade to go in here to the crease with is this one right here. It's the matte medium tone brown called Pinto Beans. Pinto Beans. I'm just gonna take that on my Morphe JH30 and start buffing and tapping this into the crease all along the transition shade area. I'm gonna grab this Ulta blending shadow brush. It's a nice pinched brush. And I'm gonna grab Lettuce, the matte green shade. Just taking it on one side. And I'm just gonna start tapping this into the outer half of my lid and blending that up and into the crease. I'm gonna clean that up, so I'm not worried about that. And then blending it up and into the crease, taking it back and forth tapping motions. Then on this JH40, I'm gonna grab the darkest matte called Pinto Beans, or no, Black Beans. Black Beans. Just gonna tap this into the outer V area just to deepen that up. I wanna cut the crease, so I'm gonna grab my M507 with some more of that P. Louise base just right on the tip there, and I'm gonna cut the crease with this. While it's still sticky, I'm gonna go in with my shimmers. First one I'm gonna grab is the bright gold called Corn Salsa. Ooh, it's like got silvery kind of flakes in it once you kind of dive into it. Super, super pretty. Okay, and I'm just gonna tap that right down. Oh my gosh. Okay, hi E.l.f. You did not come to play here. Okay, I thought I was gonna go in with like this lighter gold here, like on the inner corner. I still might, just right on the inner corner, but that color is so beautiful. Next, I'm gonna grab guac because everybody needs a little guac when they go to Chipotle. Yes. Oh my goodness. Love. And then just because I need to say this on camera, I'm gonna use the shade. I have to say it. Fajita. I'm gonna go in with Fajita. Just because I think it's also really pretty, but I wanted to focus on the green for this look. Just gonna blend it right there on the side of the green. Ooh, okay. That, in the words of Bob Ross, is a happy accident.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
I had to say the word, and look at how pretty that is. Hello, it's kind of like a matte purplish type shade. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye. I feel like I lost just a tiny bit of that intensity right in the outer corner, so I'm gonna grab Black Bean again and just tap it and build it up. I still can't get over that corn salsa shade, like, super pretty. I need just a little extra something here in the crease. So I'm gonna grab hot salsa back on my JH30 again. Just a tap and take it right on top. Oh, yep, that's it. There you are. There you are. I'm gonna slap on some wing liner and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some of my Natasha Denona Black is Black and I'm gonna take that on an M326 and just slap that right on top of the black liner. Just really make it super intense and smoke out like that upper line. Okay, I'm gonna clean up under the eye and apply my foundation, and I will be right back. Okay, I do have to say about this palette too, like they were even talking about this on the news. Like my mom sent me a screenshot. She goes, "Are you getting this palette? Did you get it?" No, I haven't got it yet because it hasn't launched yet. I'm on it though. She's like, "They're even talking about it on the news, you gotta get it." Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I got the shade Light Peach. I didn't know which one to get. And I'm like, sure, that sounds, wow, looks really light. I don't know, guys. Big doe foot. Whew. Whew. It's giving me like old school, super whited out concealer vibes. I'm gonna take my, this is an E6 Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Oof, that might be too light for me. I'll make it work though. Do it for the YouTube. I've not blended out concealer with a brush in a long time. And we don't have time to really correct this, so please work. Okay, that's not awful. Maybe if I just grab my sponge and go around it, just to kind of like seal it and deal it. Taking my Hourglass powder, putting that into place. Might go into work and they might be like, "Whoa, did you see a ghost? Because you're looking pale." No. Why do you talk like that? Estee Lauder Double Wear Powder. My Beauty Blender Puff. Setting that down. Hopefully my bronzer will make this situation a little better. Gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics bronzer. I got the shade Sunkissed and Bronze Moment. I gotta say, I've had it for a little over a week, and I'm obsessed. This does not go on looking splotchy at all. It just looks like beautifully blended out. You can build it up where it needs to be. I would much rather have a bronzer that goes on smooth and you don't need to like worry about splotchiness. Much rather. I'm gonna grab my Scott Barnes contour palette. I feel like I'm doing a challenge or a race or something. This is the I don't know what I'm saying. The shades Carve and Diced that I always contour with. Take that around the perimeter of my face. Then going in with hashtag shade on the jawline. I feel like with this light of concealer, I definitely need some nose contour. Be like, oh yeah, there it is. There's the nose. Going back in with the Jaclyn bronzer palette. I'm gonna grab the blush. Blushy blush. And apply this on. I don't know what people are talking about when they're saying like this isn't pigmented. Cause like, girl, there's blush there. That's some blush. Okay, got this little Lancome lash idol. I'm gonna apply my mascara. I feel like lashes and brows are really gonna help me right now. What's new? Never judge a look until those are done. Just gonna grab my Patrick Ta shaping wax in the color Tinted. These are my Ardell 858s. Now for the under eyes, because this concealer, since it's so light, I definitely need under eye help. I'm gonna mix pinto bean and what was this again? Hot salsa. Mainly going in with pinto bean first. Just a touch of hot salsa. Just a touchy touch. I'm just gonna grab a liner brush here and go in with black bean. Gonna grab my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. What is eye contact doing? It's betraying me. Gonna grab the Jaclyn Hill highlighter from her Valentine's Day collection in the shade Flurries. Since this is still new to me, this is what I'm vibing with. And then I got her highlighter, her loose highlighter in the color Beam. Just gonna take some of that on a little pencil brush here and dab it right into the inner corner and right underneath the high point of the brow. Gonna grab my Lawless Wedding Day. Apply that. Lower lashes real quick. All over the place, guys. This is what getting ready with me looks like. And then the lip gloss. It's got tape on it. I'm in a rush. I'm like shaking. Okay, this is called, what is the shade of this called? Hot Salsa. You gotta do a salsa dance when you're talking about hot salsa. Put some hot salsa on my lips. Okay, it's not as red as I was like kind of worried it would be. That's why I nuded my lips out. Ooh. It smells hot and spicy. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my look using the new e.l.f. and Chipotle collaboration. I hope you guys liked this video, seeing me in a super rush. And yeah, super bright, super colorful, super green, great for St. Patrick's Day. Nobody's pinching me. No. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys. Subscribe and hit that notification bell right there to join the Allie Ann clan, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.